Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super convenient for 2025. How to use a credit card without ever needing the physical plastic. If you're tired of fumbling for your wallet or worried about losing your card, this is a game changer. Let's get started. First off, why go digital? In 2025, most banks and credit card companies offer virtual card options that let you make payments right from your phone or computer. It's all about security and speed. To begin, you'll need to set up a digital wallet. Popular ones include Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Wallet. Download the app from your device's store and create an account if you haven't already. Next, add your credit card to the wallet. Open the app, go to the Add Card section, and enter your card details manually or scan it with your camera. Don't worry, your actual card number isn't stored, it's replaced with a secure token for extra protection. Once added, you can use it for online shopping by selecting the digital wallet at checkout on websites or apps. For in-person payments, enable contactless features on your phone. Just hold your device near a payment terminal, and bam, your transaction is complete. It's that easy. Plus, with advancements in 2025, you might even use biometric authentication like facial recognition or fingerprints to authorize payments. Now, let's talk benefits. This method is faster, reduces the risk of card skimming, and helps you track spending through apps. But remember, always keep your device updated and use strong passwords to stay safe. Avoid public Wi-Fi for adding cards, and regularly check your account for unauthorized transactions. In conclusion, ditching the physical card is the future of finance. Give it a try today and simplify your life. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.